Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to be making
some Harry Potter treats.
Yes, so
Boozy style.
Yeah, so it'll be like a boozy butterbeer, won't it? And what else?
Polyjuice potion kind of jelly.
Yeah, like a jelly shot kind of thing. And that's pretty much it, really. So yeah, let's go over and do them. So because it's obviously Harry Potter themed, I've got my wand at the ready, the Elder Wand, which is like the interactive one from Universal, so that's pretty cool. I've also got my Wrong Park t-shirt with Snape with his Mickey ears on from Pickle Vicks, and we've got a little discount code, so I'll leave that on screen here and down below. So yeah, go and check it out.
For staying with the Harry Potter theme, I of course have to rep my favourite character from the movies, Cedric.
So we'll leave like all the proper instructions and like what you actually need to buy in the description below, just to make it a bit easier. This is just for the Polyjuice potion like jelly shot section. So we've got these like goo pots, which we're going to just use like to put them in because they're kind of like a cauldron, I guess. Then we've obviously got the vodka, and we went for a lime jelly. So we've got the 250 ml of water, and we're just adding the lime jelly in. And then obviously just continuously stir it until it's all dissolved and mixed in. And then you actually need to wait for it to cool down before adding the vodka, because otherwise it'll burn off and you won't have much of a flavour to it.
We don't want that.
Yeah. So we've put it in the fridge just to cool, and then we're going to pour the vodka in and put it back in the fridge for 2 hours. Okay.
We'll see.
Yeah. We're just taking it out of the fridge now. It's still a bit warm, but you just need it to cool down from it being piping hot, essentially, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to add vodka. Let's go. It's completely up to you how much vodka you actually use. We went for like the cheapest one as well, because why not?
Yeah.
It's all the same. Probably.
Not much?
Nah, keep going. Keep going. Yeah, that'll do. So now we're just going to mix them and then pour them into those little bowls. So now they're all filled up, so we're going to put them in the fridge for the remaining time, just until they set, and then we'll get started on the butterbeer.
So we're now going to make the cream for the top of the butterbeer.
Yeah, for like the froth.
So we're just going to whip up some whipped cream.
Yeah, and then you add just some icing sugar to it, and we're going to add a little bit of vanilla just to give it a little bit of flavour. So we've added the cream, and we've added about 50 grams of icing sugar, and then we added a little bit of vanilla, just like a drop. Not too much. So there we go, there's the finished cream for the top, or the head of the beer, as they would say.
So nice.
So we're actually going to do it in a little butterbeer cup, which I got from the Harry Potter Studios tours.
No cup for me though.
A couple of years ago, yeah. Oh, there's only one. So might just do this as like a photo for Insta, and then actually have them in proper glasses.
A bigger one.
Yeah.
So as we're making boozy butterbeer, we are going for a butterscotch liqueur that we got from Amazon. So we'll leave the link down below.
And then for the sort of mixer, it's just regular cream soda. So you could put some like food colouring in it if you really wanted to, just to make it more authentic, but for this I think we're just going to leave it as that, I think.
Yeah, it would be very orange, wouldn't it?
Yeah. So we're just going to kind of go free-handed with the measurements because it's boozy, so you know.
Not too much. Maybe add some vanilla, that might make it like a bit more beery colour. Let's just have a look at it.
Yeah.
There we go.
So we did actually add a little bit of vanilla to the butterbeer mix itself, just to give it a sort of
colour.
Bit of a colour, yeah, but you don't really have to do that. So now that we've taken the snazzy Instagram photos, time to taste test. I'm gonna get like a big moustache of foam out. Oh my god. is like, honestly, I can't. It's like so close to the actual thing that you get in Universal.
That's so nice.
Little beard. It's so good, isn't it? Like, that is the closest that it's tasted to actual butterbeer that I've ever
Yeah, I think
had.
we got that one in the bottle from the actual studios, but it didn't taste as good as this.
Yeah, so definitely recommend it. Ooh. So yeah, neither of us are actually big fans of cream soda usually.
No.
But with that it was... So I think we're going to have cream all over our faces for the rest of the night now. But now on to the polyjuice. So here is the polyjuice potion. I can't see it being...
Just jelly, isn't it?
Yeah. You could spice it up if you want to. You know, put some gummy worms in there or something. Oh. Struggling there. It's just vodka jelly in it. So, bit of a fail on that one, but definitely recommend the butterbeer.
Excuse if you want some vodka.
So if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. We have done some like home style recipes before, haven't we? So
yeah.
There'll be a playlist above. But yeah, if you've got any other suggestions on what you'd like to see, then let us know in the comments down below, and have a magical day.